Thank you so much. This is Dr. Vandana Bhubna. I am a certified family physician. I have done my post-graduation in family medicine. I am based in Delhi and I am running my own clinic in the name of Clinic Viva. And I am a principal consultant in internal medicine and preventive health in Max Super Speciality Hospital, Shalimar Bagh, Delhi. So, I am proud to be a family physician. We are running a FMPC 2022. The topic of this conference is dealing with the post-COVID complication and building up the primary health care in India, in Indian healthcare delivery system. So, we the doctors here in the conference, we promote the concept of family doctor. As I said that I am a certified family physician, I take care of the people from the newborn stage till from birth to tomb. So, a newborn person can come in my clinic and a geriatric person of 80 years of 85 years of age group can come in my clinic. So, most of the 80% of the diseases and complications are mostly sought out in our clinics itself. In India, the expenses of medical health care is out of pocket. So, mostly if you have a family physician and a primary care physician in your family, then 80% of your problems will be sorted out in our clinics itself. So, mostly newborn to adolescent age group children, they are mostly dealing with routine fever, diarrheas, anemias. These are the basic problems of these age group, and vaccination is the prime. We do vaccinations in our clinics also, and we have to follow the milestones of that age group. When the teenagers have different mental and behavior issues, so we have association of psychologists and these people in our clinic. So we reschedule them because these are the gadget times, and online post-COVID online education system has come up. So mostly we are dealing with the behavior issues in these kids, or sometimes the seasonal fever or other issues that we are dealing with. And then in the adult age group, see again the infective diseases are more common, but post 40 years of age group, non-communicable disease and age-related disease are more common. These are the most of the lifestyle illnesses we are dealing with. So we try to educate them to prevent these illnesses in their lifestyle by their lifestyle modification, and try to prevent their complication or postpone the risk of their diseases, and we educate them so that they lead a very healthy life and the quality of life is improved in the post 50 age group or geriatric age group. Today people are living longer, so we don't want to provide a quantity of number to their life. We want to a quality of life also by giving a quality of health. So we are doing it by educating, treating, they are vaccinating, taking care of their complications, delaying their complications, sorting out and referring them timely to different specialty. So as per the family doctor and being a family physician, I really want all the people around to learn that you should have a trained family physician as a family doctor, so that most of the diseases can be treated in your clinic and your expenses to the healthcare will be low. Thank you so much.